So 1,08,000. 1,08,000. 24,000 into 4.5. So 1,08,000. So current asset is equal to 1,08,000. Current asset is equal to 1,08,000. So here how to find the current asset and current liability when current ratio and quick ratio are given. So once again, current ratio is 4.5 is to 1 is given, quick ratio is given 3 is to 1. If inventory 36,000, then calculate current liability and current asset. So at current ratio we have put the formula of both current ratio and quick ratio. Current ratio is equal to current asset upon current liability. Quick ratio is equal to quick asset upon current liability. Here both are common, current liability. So here in ratio it is given 4.5 upon 1 and 3 upon 1. So 4.5. Here we have assumed current liability is equal to X and current asset is 4.5. So current asset is equal to 4.5x. Same way current liability is 1. So quick asset 3. So 3x. So current asset 4.5x and quick asset 3x. Why we have assumed? Because amount of current asset and quick asset are not given. That's why we have assumed this one. Now quick asset, you know the formula. Quick asset is equal to current asset minus inventory minus prepaid expense. But here only inventory is given. That's why we have taken 36,000 inventory only. So inventory is equal to current asset minus quick asset. Inventory is given 36,000 is equal to 4.5x. That we have got from here. Current asset 4.5x minus quick asset 3x. So 36,000 is equal to 1.5x. 4.5 minus 3, 1.5x. So x is equal to 36,000 upon 1.5. So for doing easy sum here, we will deduct. So 5, 3 5 are 15, 3 12 are here 36. So 12,000 into 2, 24,000. X is equal to 24,000. And we have assumed X is equal to current liability. So current liability is 24,000. Same way here current asset, we require the amount of current asset. Current asset is equal to 4.5x. So 4.5 into 24,000. So here for easily calculation, 24 for the 96 and 12,000 half 12. 96 plus 12, 1,08,000. Whatever things you remember on that way you can calculate also. If you don't remember this, then you can calculate by multiplying it. Okay, so here current liability and current asset. Now another sum number 5 from textbook. Current liability 75,000 is given. If current ratio is given 4 is to 1 and liquid ratio is given 1 is to 1, then what you have to find? Current asset, liquid asset and inventory. All these three things you have to find. Current liability is given 75,000. Current ratio is given 4 is to 1. Liquid ratio is given 1 is to 1. Then you have to find current asset. How much current asset? How much liquid asset and inventory? So here again, whenever ratio are given, first of all we have to put the formula. Then you can put the information whatever given. Then you can easily find the answer. So first of all, the formula of current ratio. You know current ratio is equal to current asset upon current liability. Same way liquid ratio is equal to liquid asset upon current liability. So here current liability is given 75,000. Current ratio is given 4 is to 1. So 4 current asset, 1 current liability. Here liquid ratio is given 1 is to 1. So 1 upon 1. Here also you can see current liability is common and current liability is given 75,000. Suppose current liability is equal to 1, means 75,000 is given. Now from this information you can find current asset. So current asset is equal to x into 4. So 4x. Current asset is equal to 4x. Same way liquid asset is equal to, here current liability 1 and liquid asset is 1. So liquid asset also 1, means it will be 75,000. Same, liquid asset is 75,000 and here current asset 4x. So 4 into 75,000. 4 into 75,000, it means 3 lakh. If you multiply 75 into 4, so 300, then 30. So 3 lakh. Current asset is equal to 3 lakh. Liquid asset is equal to 75,000. So here both answer you have got, current asset and liquid asset. Current asset how much? Current asset is equal to 3 lakh, and liquid asset how many? 75,000. Now you have to find inventory. So you know inventory. So for finding inventory, we have to deduct quick asset from current asset. So inventory is equal to quick asset minus current asset. Current asset minus quick asset. Current asset minus quick asset. So current asset is equal to 3 lakh minus quick asset is equal to 75,000. Quick asset or liquid asset both are same. So 3 lakh minus 75,000. So 2 lakh 25,000 is inventory. 2 lakh 25,000 is inventory. So how to calculate from current liability, current ratio and liquid ratio? How to find current asset, liquid asset and inventory? So it's easy way. First of all, you have to remember the formula, then only you can easily find the answer. Once again, current liability 75,000. If current ratio 4.4 is to 1, liquid ratio 1 is to 1, then find current asset, liquid asset and inventory. So first of all, you have to put the formula. Current ratio is equal to current asset upon current liability. Liquid ratio is equal to liquid asset upon current liability. Current ratio is given 4 is to 1, the 4 upon 1. Then liquid ratio is given 1 is to 1, so 1 upon 1. Current liability we are here common 1, so here we assume current liability is equal to x or 75. It is already given. Current liability is already given 75,000. So current asset 4x and liquid asset is 75,000. So current asset 4 into 75,000, 3 lakh. So inventory is equal to current asset minus quick asset. So inventory, current asset 3 lakh minus quick asset 75,000. So 2 lakh 25,000 is inventory. So here we have discussed about the liquidity ratio. I hope you have understand the formula and the method how to prepare, how to find the current ratio, then liquid ratio, how to find when both ratio are given, then how to find current asset, liquid asset, inventory. So it is easy to remember. So here we have discussed about the liquidity ratio. I hope you have understand both the formula of liquidity ratio. Which one? First one is current ratio and second one is liquid ratio. So here you have to do these two sum in your notebook also, and also sum number 6 in homework, question number 6 from your textbook NCERT. After that we will discuss another ratio, because you know 4 types of ratios are there. Liquidity ratio, so here we have discussed about the liquidity ratio, then solvency ratio, then profitability ratio and activity ratio. So here only we have discussed about the liquidity ratio. In next lecture I am going to discuss about the solvency ratio. So first of all I will discuss about the definition and formula, and then I will do the sum. So here I am going to discuss about the solvency ratio also, but in next lecture. Thank you.